The data is only as good as the person that puts it in there. But once you know who those people are and you've worked with them, Oscar's fantastic. Once you get that trust level with those people, it gives us a much better comfort level with knowing that we're going to get in there and execute.
I'm very curious. I like programming. Tekla is very tied to that. I'm doing my own APIs right now for the needs that I have. And having the opportunity of having a software that is that flexible to solve the problems specifically that you need to solve, not being just tied to whatever the company or the industry is going to provide you, right? Being able to actually provide or create your own solution.
Using the technology to help us speed up those monotonous tasks, and then it can get you back into doing some more productive work, something that's more tangible, right? Everybody likes tangible.
So basically the way it works is that I create the 3D model on Tekla structures, then inside of Trimble Connect, I take the IFC from that model and then turn it into a TRB file. That way it will be a lot smaller and more practical to use with side vision.
The technology component of it, I think, is helpful when you're in a market that you're looking for new talent, new people, just trying to build out your workforce. Having the gadgets and the tools that attract that type of employee that may be the difference maker between somebody choosing Dunn over another competitor.
By the use of a model, streamlining it, it makes it a lot easier for someone who's new or someone who transfers into your team, or even people that you're teaching. Painting that picture in the model helps them create a visualization and helps them progress their career.
And I think that's one of the things that this process allows is it gives more time to some of those guys closest to the work to really understand what it is they're being asked to go build.
And now that we have the self-perform process and we're able to actually use the knowledge, the technologies, and implement all the information that we get to the design teams, they actually have the tools to provide the right information, feel the support from the team, instead of feel the attack when something goes wrong. And if I hide beams right here, you will see the embeds from the glass trade partner. And for those, we actually coordinate every elevation to make sure that when the embeds get to be placed, they will not have any issues on field.
We use it for everything, Trimble Connect for everything. We use it for pre-planning our pours from a cubic yardage standpoint, because we can click on elements and it tells us the volumes. Trimble Connect's giving it to us because we've drawn it. We've drawn it how we're going to go build it, right? And so because we can draw it how we're going to go build it and then use that same information to build it, we're going to be pretty accurate.